Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. Today I am bringing some multiple choice questions for all of you for the chapter partnership formation. This is your chapter partnership formation of second year accounting. Here MCQs number one advantage of operating as a partnership would include great power than sole trader for decision making, limited liability for all partners issue, being able to raise capital through shares, access to a large amount of initial capital. Second MCQs. Which of the following statement is true? A minor partner cannot be admitted as a partner. B, a minor partner can be admitted as a partner only into the benefits of the partnership. C, a minor can be admitted as a partner, but his rights and liabilities are same of the adult partner. D, none of the above. 3. In case of partnership, the act of any partner is binding on all the partners, binding on that partner only, binding on all partners except the particular partner. D. None of the above. MCQs number 4. Following are essential elements of a partnership firm except A. At least two partners. B. There is an agreement between all partners. C. Equal share of profit and losses. D. Partnership agreement is for some business. Number 5. Features of a partnership firm are A. Two or more persons are carrying common business under an agreement. B. They are sharing profit and losses in the fixed ratio. C. Business is carried by all or any of them acting for all as an agent. D. All of the above. Number 6. Sleeping partners are those who A. Take part in the conduct of the business but provide no capital. However, the salaries is paid to them. B. Do not take any part in the conduct of the business but provide capital and share profit and losses in the agreed ratio. C. Take active part in the conduct of the business but provide no capital. However, they share profit and losses in the agreed ratio. D. Do not take any part in the conduct of the business and contribute no capital. However, share profit and losses in the agreed ratio. Number 7. The relation of a partner with the firm is that of A. An owner. B. An agent. C. An owner and an agent. D. Manager. Number 8. What should be the minimum number of persons to form a partnership? A. 2. B. 7. C. 10. D. 20. Number 9. Number of partners in a partnership firm may be maximum 2, maximum 10, maximum 100, maximum 50. Number 10. Liability of a partner is A. Liability. B. Unlimited. A is limited. B is unlimited. C is determined by code. D determined by Partnership Act. Number 11. Which of the following is not an essential feature of a partnership? A. There must be an agreement. B. There must be a business. C. The business must be carried on for profits. D. The business must be carried on by all partners. Number 12. Every partner is bound to attend diligently to his conduct of the business. A. Right. B. Meetings. C. Capital. D. Duties. Number 13. Forming a partnership deed is A. Mandatory. B. Mandatory in writing. C. Not mandatory. D. None of the above. Number 14. Partnership deed is also called prospectus, article of association, principles of partnership, and D. Article of partnership. Number 14. Number 15. When is the Partnership Act enforced? A. When there is no partnership deed. B. When there is a partnership deed but there are difference of opinion between the partners. C. When capital contribution by the partner varies. D. When the partner's salary and interest on capital are not incorporated in the partnership deed. Number 16. In the absence of partnership deed, the interest is allowed on partner's capital. A. 5% per annum. PA is per annum. B is 6% per annum. C. 12% per annum. D. No interest is allowed. 17. In the absence of agreement, partners are not entitled to A. Salaries, B. Commission, C. Equal interest and profit, D. Both A and B. Number 18. Is a partnership firm examined as an individual legal entity? A. No. B. Yes. C. Partially yes. D. Partially no. Number 19. No partnership agreement. What will be the percentage of profit sharing ratio between them? A. Unequal. B. Equal. C. It will depend on the experience of a partner. D. It will depend on partner's capital. Number 20. In partnership, partners' liabilities are A. Unlimited. B. Limited to the capital of the business. C. Limited. D. Both A and C. Thank you so much. Hope you like my this video and you will practice these MCQs. Thank you.